Yes, thank you everyone. So I'll cover on the entire piece around low relaxation pre-stressed concrete strands for road and bridge construction. However, first in terms of what ma'am mentioned in terms of corrosion, I think that's always a debate which happens in terms of whether epoxy coated reinforced bars are as effective as say some of the corrosion resistant steel that we use. Uh, Generally, with epoxies, we have the challenges in terms of chipping off, etc., and hence, generally CRS steel or even stainless steel is generally considered as a better option. That's our stand on it. But yeah, moving on to this one. Uh, why we took this? Because this is something which has been there in the industry for some time, but is yet something which is new and which is finding an increased application in the construction industry. So, what is roll relaxation? Stress relaxation means a gradual reduction in stress which happens in the concrete, and this is one area where both steel and concrete play together in terms of offering a solution which is basically beneficial both for the end user as well as the parties who are constructing it. So generally this offers much more lesser relaxation. The relaxation loss is less than 2.5% after 1,000 hours as against 5% which is there in the normal relaxation which is there in pre-stressed concrete. If we look at LRPC, higher fatigue resistance, lower stress relaxation loss, as mentioned, higher reliability because these strands have already been tested for thermomechanical forces earlier, and hence we are very fairly sure that there will be higher reliability in this and lower breakages and losses. Speed of construction is much higher because it's being done off-site and is being done in a pre-construction stage which is there. And also from an industry point of view and from a point of view also from the end customer, a 10 to 12% reduction in cost, which obviously is very much important as we go into construction as we look at it. What are the uses for LRPC? Actually, across multiple sectors, if you look at it, it's being currently used in multiple projects, even in bullet train, across all major metro project, high rises, as well as in terms of, if you look at it, even commercial complexes where the span is very long. But yeah, precast concrete segments where it's being used in bridge decks, beams, slabs, etc. Even in post-tensioning, in certain cases, wherever as per the requirements which are there, the pre-stressed concrete piles where it helps reduces the pressure and the compression on it, and in construction of heavy duty slabs. So even in roads and bridges, when we look at it, it's being used across major projects. For example, it's got used in the Atal Setu, it's got used in the coastal road projects, and across somewhere it's getting a lot of usage which is there. Hence, if we look at it overall sense, improved durability, increased load carrying capacity, reduced maintenance costs, reduced capex costs also, something which has not been mentioned here, but which I said. So multiple benefits when we look at this particular category of products which is there. Just a brief in terms of the manufacturing process, and again, the good part in this is that yes, some of these machineries are imported. They do come from countries like US and Italy, but in India today there are multiple manufacturers, including Tata Steel, including JSW, including some other players who are manufacturing it in-house and within India. In fact, we have a good amount of capacities which are available as far as LRPC goes, and a fairly simple process in terms of the wire rods first getting cleaned and getting this thing and then drawing it and then compressing it into get the final product which is there. But yeah, there are multiple players in India available who are using it and are this thing. So that's it. Thank you. Thanks a lot, and hopefully in time.